I started doing some research when I was in college during my undergraduate, and I was researching sea turtle blood actually and learning the different mechanisms of how the red blood cells can change size. So we actually had sea turtle blood shipped from Texas to Illinois where I was in college, and I just did all these experiments on the blood to see how the red blood cells would change in size based on what I would do with them, like expose them to different gases and conditions. So that was my first area of research. And then when I got into veterinary school, I had more research opportunities where it was more clinical research where we actually worked with real pets that had diseases, and we'd go back and see what treatments they had. And one disease in particular was called IMHA, which is a hemolytic anemia when the red blood cells break down. I have an interest in blood if you haven't noticed the theme. But this study was kind of looking back at old cases and seeing what complications they had associated with treatment. So it was a retrospective study. And I also did some other experiments with a couple of my other mentors on the ability of blood to clot and different things that affect that. So those are kind of the areas that I worked in for research, but there are so many opportunities in research. It's really amazing.